Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant widescreen on Valorant, right? So basically it's super easy to fix, and basically you get this error because you install in a lot of times you install GeForce Experience. And to fix this problem, simply you just need to go to GeForce Experience. Then under the on home you should find Valorant here, and then you just need to go to details. Then you need to scroll down until you see, as you can see, this little icon here, cog icon, I know, wrench or something like that. And then you need to go to resolution here, and then you need to change your Valorant resolution in GeForce Experience to 1280 to 960, right? And apply the changes, and after that just run your game and change the resolution inside Valorant, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.